Here's a chart of SPY, the next hammer candle. I'm going to go ahead and analyze here. And now it is kind of extended hammer candle, so it's not ideal as it's already run up a considerable amount here on the close. In my opinion, it looks like we're going to test all-time highs very soon. If you look at here, you can see this resistance here was broken the first time here, which tells me that that level was not as strong as it could have been, and now we've actually closed above it. Now, this is a green hammer candle that bounced off the 8-period exponential moving average. However, the volume here is not ideal to confirm that this is a potential breakout here, but I'm going to treat it as such anyways. And because the volume looks like it's an average volume day, I will be looking for a pullback here to possibly a support level. Now, the breakout did happen earlier in the day. We essentially put in this resistance here, which kind of corresponds to this opening range breakdown right here of 239.10. As you can see, we came up, put a resistance, double bottom, came up through it, broke above it, consolidated just above, which is a very bullish indication. A little bit of a retest here, didn't quite come all the way back down, so it tells me there's still quite a bit of strength at this level, and it's not likely to test that anytime soon. So I'm going to go ahead and throw another trend line on here. This chart is actually going to end up with a lot of things on here, so it may be confusing. Try not to do that, but such is the case. Now, this is only a dollar move, so normally with a move up like that, I could throw some Fibonacci's, but it's not not a straight up move, but it is a fairly strong move, so I'll just leave it as that right there. A couple areas I'll be looking for a pullback into is obviously going to be this trend line, 239.40. And if price continues or even goes sideways right here where it's at, this VWAP will likely come up and probably meet this trend line right around here, which will also bring in some natural support buyers. I don't typically trade just off of a trend line. I want to find something else that actually helps to confirm that there's a support there. So whether it's a moving average or a VWAP or something to that effect. Now, with that in mind, if that does trigger me in, my stop will be just below here at this previous breakout level, because if it's a true breakout and it has strength, price will not come back down to here. So that's only about a 30 cents of risk, and I'll be looking for a move up to at least these all-time highs of 240.32. So looking from the support, looking for about $1 to risk 30 cents. It's not too bad there. Could likely play this with some call options, maybe a couple weeks out in the future. This kind of pattern looks like it is going to go ahead and push through all-time highs. We have had quite a bit of call option activity out in the June, July, and August expiration time frames, so I'll keep an eye out for that. I believe there was quite a bit in July, the 243 calls, which was very interesting the other day. Somebody bought a couple of blocks totaling 94,000 contracts, so keep that in mind. In addition, there was also the dark pool prints that were down here around 238.50, which they've started to move up. I got a couple of the light prints at around 238.78 right in this area and 238.88. As long as those prints keep moving up, price should continue to go up. It does not look like they're sellers yet, so just keep that in mind. Now, this is essentially a breakout. We'll be looking for some sort of volume confirmation to tell me that it is officially a breakout, and I'll be able to take a larger position with that kind of expectation. So good luck, and we'll see what can happen.